Repairing cars can be a difficult job, but having the appropriate tools can make a significant difference. As vehicle technology continues to advance and become more complicated, it's crucial to have the most recent and innovative tools accessible. Therefore, new car repair tools are specifically designed to tackle new age issues. From wrenches to power tools, there is a wide range of tools available today that can help you repair your car like a pro. Here, we'll examine 12 such car repair tools that can improve both your work's efficiency and effectiveness. BlueDriver. The BlueDriver OBD2 scanner is an essential tool for any professional mechanic looking to diagnose or troubleshoot automotive issues. This scanner is designed to work with both iOS and Android devices. The BlueDriver OBD2 scanner uses advanced technology to provide accurate diagnostic information, including trouble codes, live data, and freeze-frame data. It also has the ability to clear trouble codes and perform smog tests, making it an all-in-one solution for any diagnostic task. One of the most impressive features of the BlueDriver OBD2 scanner is its compatibility with over 30,000 vehicle models, ensuring that it can be used in almost any automotive repair situation. Additionally, it has a range of advanced features such as Bluetooth connectivity, a larger data storage capacity, and customizable alerts. Priced at $100, the BlueDriver OBD2 scanner offers exceptional value for money, given its extensive features and compatibility with multiple vehicle models. CDI-2503MFRPH. The CDI-2503MFRPH is a top-of-the-line torque wrench designed for professional mechanics. This torque wrench has a unique digital display that provides real-time torque readings. The CDI-2503MFRPH is built with high-quality materials and designs that can withstand even the toughest jobs. It has a torque range of 30 to 250 pound-foot and an accuracy of ±2%, ensuring that every job is done to its highest standard. One of the standout features of the CDI-2503MFRPH is its dual scale, which allows for both pound-foot and Newton meters to be measured. This makes it usable for both American and English users. It also has a quick release button that makes changing out sockets more efficient. CDI-2503MFRPH is priced at $456. Gear Wrench 80550. The Gear Wrench 80550 is a 57-piece tool set that provides exceptional value for money. Made from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, this set is built to last and withstand the rigors of regular use. The set includes a range of sockets and ratchets in both standard and metric sizes, as well as extension bars and universal joints, making it ideal for use in a variety of applications. One of the standout features of the Gear Wrench 80550 is its 120-tooth ratchets. This design ensures that you can turn fasteners in tight spaces, making it easier to work on hard-to-reach areas. Additionally, the ratchets feature a low-profile head and flush-mounted reversing lever, which provides greater access and better control when working. The Gear Wrench 80550 set comes with a durable blow-molded case, ensuring that tools are well protected. At a price point of $180, the Gear Wrench 80550 offers exceptional value for money. 𝗓𝗏𝗄 RAN W7150K2. The 𝗓𝗏𝗄 RAN W7150K2 is a cordless impact wrench. It features a brushless motor that delivers a maximum torque of 780 pound-foot and 1,000 pound-foot nut-busting torque. Its lightweight design allows for easy handling, even during long periods of use, and the impact wrench comes with 2 lithium-ion batteries, providing an extended runtime. Other features include a variable speed trigger for greater precision, an all-metal drivetrain, impact and chemical-resistant housing, and a patented soft mount system that reduces vibration for extended motor and switch life. Priced at $600, the 𝗓𝗏𝗄 RAN W7150K2 is optimized for use in various industries. The W7150K2 comes with a 3-year warranty. Mastech MS8268. The Mastech MS8268 is a digital multimeter that's perfect for both home and professional use. It boasts an array of measurement options, including AC/DC voltage, resistance, capacitance, and temperature. Along with its compact design, this multimeter features a large digital LCD display that shows you the readings in real time. The LCD display has a good viewing angle range in reflected light, and the default setting is fine without the backlight. One of the standout features of this product is its audible continuity test, which makes it easy to identify circuit connections. It also has a built-in kickstand for hands-free operation, and it meets all safety standards, including Cat 2 and Cat 3. At a price point of $54, it's an affordable option that doesn't compromise on accuracy. 𝗪𝗡 SX243. The 𝗪𝗡 SX243 is a mini air ratchet for industrial applications, machinery maintenance, and automotive repairs. It boasts an impressive maximum torque of 30 pound-foot. Its reversible mechanism and thumb-operated speed control ensure easy and precise operation. This air ratchet is built with aluminum housing. At a price point of $80, the 𝗪𝗡 SX243 is an excellent value. It has a comfortable rubber grip, a quick-change chisel retainer for fast changes, and replacement accessories. The manual comes with a parts diagram and service centers for future repairs. It also comes with a 1-year 𝗪𝗡 press warranty, giving you peace of mind in case of any issues. On its product website, this air ratchet receives a 4 out of 5-star rating, with many satisfied customers praising its reliability and performance. Brake bleeder. The 𝗕𝗏𝗂𝗏 MV6835 brake bleeder is a tool for quick and efficient brake bleeding. It measures 14 by 10 by 3 inches and weighs just 2.9 pounds. It has a unique design that enables one-person operation. It performs both pressure and vacuum bleeding, making it compatible with standard ABS brake systems for various vehicles. It comes equipped with a universal bleed screw adapter that fits most bleed screws. The 𝗕𝗏𝗂𝗏 MV6835 also features a variable control thumb throttle that regulates the flow of fluid during the bleeding process. The tool's built-in relief valve ensures safe operation and prevents overpressurization of the brake system. Additionally, the brake bleeder comes with a sturdy carrying case, making it easy to store and transport. Priced at around $120, the 𝗕𝗏𝗂𝗏 MV6835 brake bleeder is a complete solution for safe brake bleeding. DeWalt Power Drill. The DeWalt DC-D771C2 Power Drill is an outstanding tool that any professional should consider. This drill has a powerful 300-unit watts motor and 2-speed transmission that can handle a wide range of drilling and driving tasks. With its high-performance motor, the drill delivers up to 1,500 RPM, making it perfect for fastening and drilling applications. At only 3.6 pounds, the DeWalt DC-D771C2 prevents user fatigue during extended use. The ergonomic handle also offers increased comfort and control. With two 20-volt lithium-ion batteries and a charger included, the drill offers continuous use without interruption. Additionally, the DeWalt DC-D771C2 features a LED light that provides increased visibility in dimly lit workspaces. The drill is reasonably priced at $220, making it an excellent value for the quality it offers. 𝗏𝗂𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 features a lifting capacity of 3.5 tons and a lifting range of 5.5 to 22 inches, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles, from SUVs to trucks. This floor jack is built with a heavy-duty steel frame and is equipped with a safety valve to prevent overloading. The 𝗵𝗂𝗶𝘁𝗲𝗂𝗏 operates on a dual-pump system, providing a quick lift and fast lowering time. Moreover, the jack is designed with a swivel saddle and rear casters. The 𝗵𝗂𝗶𝘁𝗲𝗂𝗏 floor jack weighs 90 pounds, and its dimensions are 28.5 by 13.75 by 6.5 inches. It is powered by a 2.5 amps universal motor that delivers a maximum height of 22 inches at a speed of 5.9 inches per stroke. The jack is backed by 1-year limited warranty and is available at a price point of around $200. Lisle Oil Filter Wrench. The Lisle 63600 is a top-notch oil filter wrench that can tackle any oil filter with a diameter range of 2.5 to 3.25 inches. Its unique patent-pending design ensures a tight grip on the filter, preventing any slippage. This wrench weighs just 0.4 pounds, making it a lightweight and handy tool to have around. Moreover, it comes with a lifetime warranty, so you can be assured of its quality and durability. The wrench's steel jaws offer a tight grip on the filter without slipping, and it works flawlessly in tight spots from the front of the filter using a 3/8 inch drive. This extra-large range allows it to fit almost all import car filters plus the common 3 inches domestic car filters. The Lisle 63600 oil filter wrench is made with a black oxide coating, which provides protection against rust and corrosion. Lisle 63600 is a quality tool that performs exceptionally well for a $17 product. Astro AI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. The Astro AI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge accurately measures tire pressure in vehicles, bicycles, and motorcycles. It has a black-lit LCD screen that displays reading in different units, making it versatile and easy to use. Its durable and ergonomic design features a non-slip texture and a zinc alloy cover, making it safe to handle. The built-in air bleeder valve allows for quick and precise tire pressure adjustments. It is compact, lightweight, and easy to store. Powered by a CR2032 lithium coin cell battery, it provides long-lasting performance. It is a cost-effective solution for car and motorcycle owners who want to maintain proper tire pressure for optimal performance and safety. Its accuracy, ease of use, and durable design make it a must-have tool for anyone who wants to keep their vehicle in top condition. At around $10, it is an excellent solution for car and motorcycle owners. Warsun Portable LED Work Light. The Warsun Portable LED Work Light is a lighting solution that is perfect for construction sites, garages, workshops, and outdoor activities. It has a new LED technology that provides a maximum brightness of 1000 lumens, making it an excellent source of light for any task. This work light has a waterproof design with an aluminum body and a tempered glass lens that can withstand harsh conditions. It also comes with a stand and a hanging hook, giving you the flexibility to position the light wherever you need it. The Warsun Portable LED Work Light is compact and lightweight, with dimensions of 7.48 by 5.9 by 1.97 inches and a weight of only 1.35 pounds. It is powered by a rechargeable 𝗚𝗏650 lithium-ion battery that provides up to 4 hours of continuous use in a single charge. At around $30, the Warsun Portable LED Work Light is a practical and affordable lighting solution that can be used in various working conditions. If you liked the video, check out this video, self-defense gadgets that will protect you all the time.